everyone, this is Jane here. So I've not been around very much lately on the YouTube. I've just been a little bit poorly, so I've not really been able to post very much. And actually we've not been able to do too much in the way of craft. But I have completed a new journal, so I just thought I would pop on and show this one to you. I promise I will do some more kind of how-tos and actually sort of make some things on video so that you can see how I do them. But that's just not been possible over the last few weeks, but I'm going to try and do that. So this is my new little ivory stroke white journal. It's a mini one, the same as my other mini ones that I've had. They've been selling really well on my Etsy shop, so thank you to anybody that has bought one of those. The link to that will be down below. But this is just a little flip through to show you this little guy, and he'll be up on my Etsy shop shortly after this goes live. So I'm just going to show you a little flip through. I won't show you everything of what we've got with this really cute little junk journal. So it's similar to the others in design. They're all unique. I don't do the same things in each one. So they're all quite different. The papers are all tea dyed, coffee dyed, or food colouring dyed, or avocado dyed, that kind of thing. I do those myself. Or they're done with stencils. And I've also got some sort of tracing paper in here for a little bit of sort of texture. So they are decorated, but they're not intensely decorated. There's loads of room in here for you to put your own things in, put your own designs, write. So I keep them purposely just lightly decorated, so there's plenty of room. It's just little features of collage there. Some stencils, some stamps, a bit of ink splattering. There's various little bits of ephemera in here. I won't show you all of it. I'll leave that for the person that buys it to discover. There's lots of little secret places to write. This is some kind of, I didn't make this myself, I actually bought this, but this is like handmade paper. It's almost like rice paper. It's beautiful. There's a few little tags in here. And just a little bookmark in the back. So that is my little lacy ivory white creamy sort of style mini journal that will be going up on my Etsy shop. I am going to be starting to work on a new one which will also go up there, which I've kind of just started, and this is kind of like a purpley one. So this is going to be sort of more a bit sort of gothic, So quite nice for coming up to the autumn, around about sort of Halloween. I am going to try and do a Halloween one as well, a specific Halloween one, but this would be a great one to sort of work with that kind of energy too. So that's my next little project. Slowly working through them, struggling with the heat, but I'm still getting things done. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.